Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on eBay. So if eBay is not sending you the verification code by SMS or email, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data and then try again. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon in the control center. After that, make sure you enter the correct phone number or email address linked to your eBay account. Next, check if the eBay app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for eBay and then tap on Update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the eBay app by press and holding the eBay app icon, tap on Remove App and then delete the app. You can later reinstall it again from the App Store and try requesting for a verification code again. If these fixes still don't help you, you can also try restarting your phone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your phone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from eBay's server. If there is maintenance or high traffic, verification codes may not be sent properly for some time. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on eBay. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.